Okay, so we have a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It came in with a stripped out bearing. So this is the old axle shaft. The old bearing, there's no splines in there, it's all stripped out. That's been replaced with a new axle shaft, a new bearing. This side I already put together, but I just put it in. So the new bearing, new axle shaft, new emergency brakes and hardware. So we're using an E14 socket. So you could see. I'll just run these up. I always like to run it up by hand before tightening. So that's one side. And get the other side. And now we just have another spring to get to the top. Okay, so there we have our emergency brake shoes on. So we have our bearing in, brake shoes on. It's all bolted up. We have our wheel speed sensor that goes here. Put that in. And the bolt for that is a E8 bolt. Tighten that up. So there's a screw that goes here, so we line this up with that screw. I like to put some grease on these things because they get rusted up and then it's difficult to get out of there. And now we put our brake pad in there. New axles in the back, new bearings, new brakes, new rotors, new emergency brakes in there. So yeah, like and subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments down below. If there's something you could help me with, you can leave it in the comments. And so we're gonna put the wheels back. These wheels are very, very heavy. I don't know. Oh. And what I don't like about a lot of German cars is that they have these bolts. So you have to hold the wheel up there and put a bolt in. Whereas if it was just stud, the stud is there, you put the wheel on the stud and hold it in. Put some grease for corrosion or rust. And okay, here we go. Oh my. So there. Now you can get a bolt. I always like to put some grease on these so they don't, it would help with the rust, the corrosion, or just a little bit to help with that. So these are actually 19mm head. And this you just turn and clip on. There we go.